Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have for you another new company that I would like to share with you. This will be a traditional knife from the company Antonini from Maniago, Italy. And here's also all the information you need. So the website, the model number is 01AN011 and it is the Antonini Maniaghese or Maniaghese. Here are some company informations. So this is a traditional knife company. They started production in 1925 in Maniago. This is a large industrial sector where all the known knife brands are located. So 90 years in 2015. We have some information here. Probably this could be when the knife was manufactured, or this is the 831 knife from year 2019, whoever knows. So all informations you need. So everything what is here, it should be also in this code. So if you have the scanner, just scan this and you will have the information. So let's start. The knife is a typical traditional pocket knife from the northern Italy's Maniago region. You can see it has really nice bulky scales, wood scales. So this would be your traditional food prep and rustic work knife. It has a nail nick. It is really, it grinds a little bit, so it's really tough. It has a pin construction, of course, brass plates with brass pins here. This is a slip joint, so stainless steel backspacer. They do not specify the blade steel, so just say it's stainless steel. You have the Rostfrei, German for stainless steel. Here is the Antonini logo pocket. And on their website you can see that they produce, or they have 50 different original blade designs. So mostly they are traditional, but also some modern knives. They also producing a cabling cutters, and so some industrial cutters also. Okay, so let's see the specifications. So we have a overall length of 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches. The blade is 8.5 centimeters or 3.3 inches, made out of stainless steel, which is nicely set and polished. The handle is 105 millimeters or 10.5 centimeters, so that is 4.1 inches. The blade thickness is 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches, and the weight is 66 grams or 2.33 ounces. So it's now let's see some size comparisons. So I did take out one of my Opinels. This is the Opinel 8 gardening knife. So this is a French knife company, but through Europe you will see the similar design cues. So wooden handle knife, and they are also producing similar designs to the Opinel with a little bit different lock. So this is the Opinel 8. Then I have here my case tribal lock. More modern knife. So K-bar dozer. The Spyderco Delica 4. Spyderco Endura. Large Griptilian from Benchmade. And I have here also the Tucson knives TS111. Price wise, you are looking for paying around 18 euros. That is, of course, without shipping, and depends on your preferred knife shop. I will put a link down below where I did bought the knife. So it has a nice beefy handle, so you will not have any problem or hot spots to work with this knife if you prefer, or if you need to have such kind of knife. Also, if you would like to give it away as a present, so it has a nice traditional feel. A nice wood grain. The wood type is not specified, so I cannot say what kind of wood this is. Something like a half stop is probably somewhere here, but yeah. The centering is you can see here issue. For a cheap working knife, I will probably don't have any problems. This is not a safe queen, so yes. So this was the Antonini Maniaghese. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.